Hey guys, today we are in Audi with RMC system, and I'm going to show you how to take screenshots from your infotainment screen and save them to the SD card. So we have one requirement. We need to have an SD card over here, and the lock, the write protection, it needs to be disabled so the system can write something to the card. So what you need to do is pretty simple. All you need to do is go to a screen that you want to save, so like this menu, and you want to press and hold at the same time buttons previous and next. And while you are holding them, look at those four software buttons over here, and they are illuminated, so there's a red illumination over here when you are using this function. And while you are pressing and holding those two buttons, you need to check when those four LEDs will flash, and once those are flashing, you know that the screenshot was actually taken. So right now I'm going to press and hold those two buttons on over here, and let's wait. You can see that the screenshot was taken. Okay, so let's browse the system. Let's take some more screenshots, and in a few seconds I'm going to show you how this looks on the SD card. One important thing, when you are pressing those two buttons, you cannot press them at the same time, because one will be always faster than the other. So try to start with the left one, with the previous one, and then add the next one. So let's go to the car menu. Let me show you. I'm going to start with this one and add the next one. And this way you know that this works. And now you can just take the SD card, put it into your laptop, card reader connected to a phone or tablet, and when you browse the SD card content, you will have BMP files like so, with those screenshots that you have just taken. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, subscribe for future ones, and see you soon.